For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on UNISWAP future while talking about UNI cost conjecture for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like UNISWAP. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the IOTA value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that UNISWAP is a wise venture or not, for what reason will UNISWAP succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will UNISWAP value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is UNISWAP and its to-date history. What is UNISWAP? The venture was made by an individual called Hayden Adams, a previous mechanical designer who lost his genuine world work in 2017. Seeing a post made by Ethereum's Vitalik Buterin persuaded him to find out about Shrewd Agreement Improvement. After he did as such, Adams later on utilized his recently gained abilities to make a decentralized trade which he named UNISWAP. The trade is facilitated on the Ethereum blockchain engineering as two Shrewd agreements, a processing plant agreement and trade contract. The manufacturing plant Shrewd agreement contains a trade vault, and a strategy to send and trade contract for a specific ERC20 token. On account of this, any substantial ERC20 token can be traded on UNISWAP through their own extraordinary trade contract. There is precisely one trade contract for each ERC20 token, and on the off chance that a token doesn't yet have a trade, one can be made by anybody utilizing the UNISWAP Industrial Facility Contract. Robotized Market Maker, AMM. Market making isn't finished by determining the costs you need to sell, purchase for. What happens is that UNISWAP makes markets with the assistance of a deterministic calculation called Automated Market Maker, AMM. The calculation provides cost estimates to end clients as indicated by a pre-characterized rule set called Consistent Product Market Maker Model. This AMM can continuously give liquidity, regardless of how huge the request size nor how minuscule the liquidity pool. The stunt is that the cost of the coin asymptotically increments as the ideal amount increments. While bigger orders will generally endure subsequently, the framework never needs to stress over running out of liquidity. The market-making instrument works through the XY=K equation. For instance, we should expect that market creators contributed 1000 ERC20 token and 1000 ETH to the pool. The objective of the trade's calculation is to keep up with the size of this 1 million symbolic pool, keep a steady K worth. UNISWAP price prediction. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unsurpassed high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and U.S. Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. UNISWAP price prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the primary quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment in little pattern inversions. Prediction model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 September -17.87% $5.80. 2022 October -31.59% $4.83. 2022 November -25.78% $5.24. 2022 December -12.74% $6.17. 2023 Jan -3.67% $6.81. 2023 February -1.08% $6.99. 2023 Mar +7.59% $7.60. 2023 April +20.31% $8.50. 2023 May +20.41% $8.51. 2023 June +30.84% $9.25. 2023 July +36.21% $9.62. 2023 August +48.50% $10.49. UNI price prediction 2025. Our forecast model sees UNI coming to $17.31 in 2025. What will UNI be worth in 5 years? The cost of UNI in 5 years could lie around $16.05. UNISWAP price prediction 2030 to 2040. What UNISWAP will be worth in 2030? Our Guaging model sees UNISWAP coming to $43.28 in 2030. What UNISWAP will be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees UNISWAP coming to $86.56 in 2040. Will UNISWAP supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin? No, UNISWAP won't supplant or surpass BTC. Might UNISWAP at any point reach $100? Indeed, UNISWAP could reach $100 toward the finish of 2025. Could UNISWAP at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for UNISWAP to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period. Is UNISWAP worth purchasing? We are backers of modestly hazardous money management. Put a majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bushel of large cap coins and the rest in little tasks with immense potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific situation, UNISWAP merits purchasing. Is UNISWAP a wise